Hello, my dear agriculture professionals. Today, let's talk about a big issue in farming, unpleasant odors. Whether it's livestock facilities, manure management, composting, crop production, aquaculture or fish farming or wastewater treatment, unpleasant odors are a real challenge. Now, to tackle all the odor and wastewater related issues, there's a 100% natural product called SbriSolve. SbriSolve is a game changer for the entire agricultural sector. Let's break down how it works in different types of farms. Let's begin with dairy farms. SbriSolve acts as a powerful disinfectant, keeping infectious diseases at bay. It also improves milk production by regulating acidity as a feed additive. Plus, it's great for wastewater treatment, ensuring cleaner, safer water. Now, on poultry farms, SbriSolve disinfects houses and equipment, reducing disease risk. It also controls ammonia levels in litter and supports bone health and eggshell formation as a calcium source in feed. Now, sheep farms benefit too. SbriSolve treats pastures to control parasites, aids in wool processing, and even improves soil quality. For agricultural farmlands, it's a multitasker. It neutralizes soil acidity, controls pests, speeds up composting, and treats irrigation water. All this contributes to healthier crops and better yields. Aquaculture farms aren't left out either. SbriSolve maintains pH and alkalinity in ponds, disinfects pond bottoms and water, and manages nutrient levels. It also controls invasive species, ensuring healthier aquatic environments. So, what's the bigger picture? SbriSolve not only addresses odor issues, but also enhances environmental protection, livestock welfare, and worker safety. It boosts productivity and profitability by creating a cleaner, healthier farming environment. Ready to make a change? Contact us, Spris Enterprise, and integrate SbriSolve into your farming operations today and join the movement towards sustainable agriculture. Thanks for watching.